Hey friends, welcome to day 15. I'm Lori if you're new here. Today I'm going to clean out my refrigerator. Just decluttering this go around for any of you that are new. I'm not cleaning, just decluttering. So I'm going to go through all the things in the refrigerator here, and I'm going to throw out anything that's old or just that we didn't like and aren't going to use. My husband has already done half the grocery shopping. We shop at a couple different stores, so we're stocked up on our protein for the week, but we still have to get some of the other essentials and fruits and vegetables. So he's off to do that, and I'm going to get this refrigerator cleaned out. I don't know if you could tell by my voice, but I'm not feeling that great today. I did not want to get up and do this, but I pushed myself to do it because you guys motivate me. I've said it before and I'll say it again. You guys are really motivating me to get this done. So I'm just going to play music from here on out, and then at the end I will show you what I got rid of, what my refrigerator looks like, and then I'm excited when we go through the next go around and deep clean it and organize it better. But thanks so much for being here. I really appreciate you, and enjoy this declutter. Bye.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. It's like you could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright.